Starting around August 20, 2023. Sort of spell kind of token generally is exchanging at $0.00045537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very huge. Spell most certainly has a very all-out market cap of $48,909,482, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,201,143 in an unpretentious manner. This in a real sense makes explicitly Spell exceptionally token. Spell genuinely positioning at 370 in the digital currency market, which by and large is genuinely huge. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Spell commonly token cost expectation end of 2023. What will by and large Spell extremely token in every way that really matters be essentially worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical, is for the most part Spell commonly token a wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will basically Spell cost certainly outperform its untouched high, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These by and large are our Spell extremely token cost expectations for Spell's future, which sort of is very critical. Spell commonly token, Spell value expectation 2023. As per the Spell sort of token gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Spell cost fundamentally is supposed to sort of cross an essentially normal value level of $0.00056821, the normal truly least value worth of in every practical sense, Spell in every way that really matters, token toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to be $0.00054935, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, especially Spell can in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $0.00059828 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell essentially token, Spell value gauge August 2023. The Spell especially token, Spell cost for August 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.00045274, while the by and large greatest estimated cost generally is around $0.00050934. All things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking, the fundamentally normal cost for in every practical sense, Spell certainly is truly anticipated to really reach $0.00049519 in August 2023. Which most certainly is genuinely critical. Spell value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Spell sort of token generally is determined to truly be at around a base worth of $0.00049142, showing that besides for the most part, Spell can arrive at a greatest value level of $0.00059828, in spite of mainstream thinking. The Spell kind of symbolic value worth can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.00052914, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.00051500 in United States dollars in every practical sense, significant way. Spell in every way that really matters, token, Spell value estimate October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of fundamentally Spell pretty token basically is anticipated to generally arrive at an all things considered normal cost of $0.00053045, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.00054974 and a for the most part least of $0.00051158, or so they by and large thought. Spell really token, Spell value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, fundamentally Spell commonly token cost in a real sense is estimate to especially arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $0.00052749 and in every way that really matters, huge way. The Spell cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0.00057096, with the essentially normal expected cost around $0.00054636, or so they certainly thought. Spell sort of token, Spell value gauge December 2023. The Spell especially token, Spell cost for December 2023. may arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.00054935, while the truly greatest gauge cost fundamentally is around $0.00059828. So generally spell certainly token, spell, value estimate December 2023. The spell token, spell, cost for December 2023 may basically arrive at a sort of least worth of $0.00054935, while the really most extreme determined cost for the most part is around $0.00059828, or so they generally thought. The very normal cost for certainly spell especially is basically anticipated to generally reach $0.00056821 in December 2023 in a truly significant way. Spell exceptionally token in every practical sense, past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been in a real sense diminished by 0.84% in its truly current worth, which truly is very huge. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the by and large current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in an essentially significant manner. Spell truly token for the most part is confronting and in every practical sense tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, which truly is very huge. The spell especially is down to nearly 2.49% in the very most recent 7 days. Further appearance how on the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the spell especially token cost forecast finish of 2023. What will truly spell fundamentally token really be worth in 2023? Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for most certainly past by and large couple of days. The coin could truly have major areas of strength for certainly yet. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in truly present moment, or so they essentially thought. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of generally spell really diminished by 42.605%, killing an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.00033803 from its truly current worth. Certainly further appearance how starting around 20 August 2023 in every practical sense, spell pretty token basically is exchanging at $0.00045537 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.54% in very most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a great generally purchase a potential open door for kind of fast speculation, showing how this unexpected down especially implies that the coin all things considered is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a fundamentally decent explicitly purchase a valuable open door for kind of speedy venture, which basically is very critical. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 38.21%.